If you have time, you do together for morning when you stress after walking pressure, you can just do this couple movement. This type of movement, 2 to 10 minutes, you happy with a lot of stress. Inhale. Try totally down. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. This position about 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds. Finish, put a pump under the belly, and the middle area, top of the hand, put it down. You repeat it, this area, navel area, even if more. Then come side. Second, or 20 seconds. Then pump hand, rub your hand, hit it warm. The middle of the pump here, middle pump, this position touching in, put in the eye position here. To 5-10 seconds. Then put it down. 1, 2, put it down. And finish. do 4 movements or just do 1 or 2, doesn't matter. But whatever you do, on the end, you have to take stress out. Okay? Now, this all the process of training, on the end, very simple. I want your blood, liquid, blood cells inside carry more oxygen. Try make your blood cells one by one move. One by one, breathe and stand, move into your cell, blood circulation. Okay, when it comes to good blood circulation, your stress is gone. You don't have stress. Good health, good energy. It's like a snowball. You know, the winter snowball, you're more running, this snowball more big. Your energy more big, your health more better. Health, that's your duty. Okay, I am just give you some key, but still you need to through yourself process. Because your health, your body, you are the responsibility. Okay, I only help people who want to change.